Well, welcome guys to another Hunley Garage. I've got another item for the Tesla. So gonna do an unboxing here and thought it looked neat. So thought you guys might like it too. But it is from Basenor. Let's see if I can turn this over. It's a storage compartment for the car. So they're just a Tesla parts distributor. So they reached out and asked if I'd be interested. And of course, I'm not going to say no. So I'll get this pulled out and I'll show it to you. So basically in here, we've got the storage box and a lid, installation video, customer service, 2-year warranty. And I don't know if you can see that picture, but basically the box will slide in under the seat. So I'm going to, there we go. So basically it's 2 boxes and the lids. Oh wow, so these boxes have that real soft felt. Take these out in the light here. That's why I was stuck in there. It's got the nice fabric inside of there, so it's really soft. Take this plastic off and then we'll stick it inside the car. So this is for my Model Y, and I think you can order these for a bunch of different cars and stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out to the car. There we go. So basically it's a box you put in under the car. So this one's got kind of like a handle on it. So they're made to just slide in under here. Oh, and it stops too. That's perfect. Because what I've got, I need to clean my car. I've got a, there it is. I got this guy and it rolls around. And I'd like to stick some more stuff in under here. You can go ahead and put like this lid on top. Slide it in there, so that fits perfect. So then I would imagine if I sit down in the car here, I can slide. Sorry about that. What'd I do? There we go. I can slide this one underneath that seat. And so there's still ton of room underneath it here, but if you needed to get some additional storage, you just grab this box and you can set stuff on top and then you can put more stuff underneath. So this really, I don't know, I like it. Really adds a ton of storage because you can still put your feet in the back. You can set stuff on top, and then, like I said, if you wanted to, then you can set stuff in here. So it makes it really nice. So I don't know. I guess I'd recommend them. Box is nice. This container on top is nice. This felt is nice. But I'll put a link in the video description and go check them out. Give it a try if you need some storage under both seats. I think you can get one or both of them, but yeah, I'd recommend it. Well, thanks for watching, and Basenor, if you're watching, thanks for the storage compartments, and hit like and subscribe. We'll do some more reviews. Think I'm getting another battery, so I'll do another battery for here, but if I do get the smaller battery that they send me, I'm going to try to do another battery box finally. So just had a bunch of stuff going on, but yep, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.